I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright? Now, I'm getting caught up, catching up on all my past pickups. This is the last one that I got. Didn't I get these in February? Got these in February, and I'm just now catching up, so this is the last one. Alright? But you all know, Big Ralph, proud member of the Lebron gang. Alright? So, these are the Lebron 17 All-Star. Alright? Colorway is navy, heather, black, multicolor. Alright? Size 14, of course. All these boys. Alright? And the retail on these, $225. I did not pay $225 for these. I did get a discount on them, so thank goodness for that, because that's a lot of money. But let's go ahead and get into these, man. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Ralph TV. I know I said I didn't have to have these, but they are dope, man. They are dope. Left shoe first, baby. Look at the purple, the color switches and everything on this. This is the LeBron 17 Space Jams. Whew. And I know some people are having a fit because these are based off of LeBron's upcoming movie Space Jam 2. And these being nicknamed the Space Jams. And people are like, oh my God, only the Jordans can be called Space Jams. Only Jordan can star in that movie. Let's stop, okay? LeBron can do a part 2 of this movie. Anyway, here you are. And it actually even has a Space Jam logo there on the inside, if that will focus. Hopefully that focuses for y'all. But there is a Space Jam logo right there on the inside of this shoe. On the other side, you have your LeBron logo with the Knitposit on that side. The left shoe here is based off of the Monstars character of Bumkiss. Alright? You can see that purple. He kind of had like the flat top. He was a bigger dude. I want to say he was the center, I believe he was. And also you have that LeBron King logo there, the Lion King logo there, and the 0, that was the jersey. This whole look is based off of that Bumkiss right there. Very dope, very dope. I like you got your swoosh there. I really love this about the LeBron 17s. The color change that you get when you go around. I really love that about this shoe. The details that they put into that, because it's not just, you know, a purple and yellow or whatever color that it is on the shoe. It's a bunch of different colors as you transition around the shoe. I just think that's a really nice touch, man. Really nice touch. And then look at the color gradients into that air unit, man. All the way around. Look at that. They really did their thing with the details on the LeBron 17, man. Then of course up front, you got your different colors going around in the toe box area. They really did their thing with this shoe. You have your Nike here on the front, and then on the inside, we take the shoe tree out, you have your Space Jam on the inside. Alright, you see that Space Jam logo with the galaxy and everything in the background. Alright, and then on the bottom, boom, purple sole with the pods here. And then you got your LeBron signature there in the orange. This is a very dope shoe, man. I was really about to pass on this because I thought initially that they looked too similar to this shoe, but they really don't. Like, this is a different shoe. This is way more purple. The only thing, I saw this purple Air unit and I said, it's the same shoe, I don't really need it. But this is more of a purple and navy with that purple going around. No white sole on the bottom of this one. I'm glad that I decided to go ahead and pick this one up. But I'm assuming there's some differences, so let's go ahead and look at the right boy. Let's go ahead and get out the right boy. Right shoe second. Alright, so here's the right boy. Alright, so on the right boy, we have the orange to represent Pound, the Monstar known as Pound here. I believe they were, I think it's called Nerd Lucks. I'm calling them Monsters, but I believe this Nerd Luck Pound and Nerd Luck Bumkiss. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong on that, but this orange one represents Pound. Pound was the character that stole Charles Barkley's talent, and Bupkis, this is the one that represented Larry Johnson. So Charles Barkley's Monstar, Larry Johnson's Monstar with the purple. Alright, I got it confused. If I'm not mistaken, I feel like Bupkis was taller, like a center. I keep thinking Patrick Ewing or Sean Bradley, but it might be Larry Johnson. I'd have to verify that. But anyway, you also have the Space Jam logo here on the inside, just like on the other shoe. And more hits. It's like the reverse. On this one, you have the orange here, so you don't have as much orange going around the back. Whereas on the left, it's really bright. It's really bright orange. It's, to me, to my eye on the back, it's more darker here, more purple, where it's really bright on that left. I didn't mention that on the tongue, you see the LeBron logo there in the blue and green. Then here, you see it there at the top in between that orange. Very dope. Very dope shoe, man. I'm glad that I decided to go, man, these are the details on these things, man. The details on these shoes, man, it's just really dope. I'm not gonna do an on foot on these. You've seen me put on LeBron 17s before. Not gonna do that in this particular video. But you see the LeBron logo on the lace tips there. And then on the right one, it's the same thing. So, very dope shoe. Overall, glad that I was able to pick them up. These are still available on Nike.com. So if you would like to get a pair of these, head on over to Nike.com or your sneakers app and get you a pair of these, because these are just too sweet. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I will holler at you all in the next video. Peace.